नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों आज हम लोग आरबीआई असिस्टेंट का 4th नंबर का मॉक करेंगे। और दोस्तों अगर आपने इसे अटेम्प्ट कर लिया हो तो आप कमेंट करके उसमें आपके कितने मार्क्स आए सेक्शन वाइज ये मुझे ज़रूर बताना, क्योंकि जिसकी वजह से मैं कंपेयर कर सकूं कि मैं कहाँ स्टैंड करता हूँ। और दोस्तों मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है। वहाँ पे मैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पीडीएफ्स वगैरह डालता रहता हूँ, तो आप उसे ज्वाइन कर लेना। और दोस्तों देखते हैं हमारा स्कोर कितना आता है इस मॉक में, और देखते हैं इसका लेवल क्या रहता है। तो चलिए दोस्तों मॉक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बनाना लीफ इज यूज्ड बाय Bengalis to serve food for respectable guests. If I am investing in the stock market to secure my future, I am going to go for a swim at the beach tomorrow morning. They eat their last meal in the late afternoon or early morning. If it's it is a mere speck of matter, a piece of silica crystal no bigger than a virus levitated in a light beam. When you are leading star performance, where most people do the opposite. I won't be surprised by viewers. E. You can try to escape the ultra wealthy white people. F होगा शायद. Since the time Butternuts research has been out, total cities has adopted the blue zone principle. You can try to escape the ultra wealthy people, white people. It does not. I won't be surprised by viewers find the finale utterly depressing. Since the time Butternuts research has been out, several cities have adopted the blue zone principles. Of the following nearly the same or opposite in the meaning to the given word in question. In the correct option, either same or opposite meaning. Correspondence. Viruses, eitherly wrong or viruses don't change behavior. एक मिनट दोस्तों. Viruses don't change behavior unless they change means. He then began to explore other expressions and rules. He is the one who took care of both her wounds and Bill's. Everyone eagerly waited for him to reveal the truth behind the whole scene. Apparently, a lot of news agencies are not doing appropriate training and research. Here your designer French hat with brown boots for the gala tonight. Sheetal can never forget the people who helped her through the yet tough times she had to face last year. Sheetal can never forget the people who helped. The president the president took off on a 5-week international tour to Europe today, reports have said. The village near one end of Pleasant Valley, farmer being often went to sell butter and eggs, was not the only village in which farmer being prostituted. The village near one end of Pleasant Valley, where farmer being often there was which Farmer Green seldom visited because it was situated beyond the mountain and was a long distance from his house. Without being disturbed, it was in the village that Brownie Beaver and his neighbors lived. It was a different sort of town too, from the one where Farmer Green went all week. Over beyond Blue Mountain, all the houses were and all their doors were underwater, but nobody minded that because, like Brownie Beaver, every day that dwelled there was an best swimmer. That because, like Brownie, Holi is the colors of festival and is celebrated all over India. BCA. Holi is the festival of colors. CBA. Tom and Jerry Tom and Jerry continue to fight with each other. The students began to assemble in the hall wearing beautiful dresses. BAC. They were all in a raise mood. They were all in a good mood. B. After the boss gave them a raise. After the raise gave them a B. A. She was so hungry that she ate her breakfast in less than 5 minutes. ACB. Romero has a cafe in the park. It's called the Park Cafe. Park Cafe. Romero thinks the name is boring, but he can't think of a better name. Park Cafe is very popular in summer. In summer, many people come to Central Park to walk their dogs. Romero likes dogs, and he is a smart businessman. Dogs cannot come into the cafe, but Romero has a special area for dogs outside. Dog walkers can tie their dogs up there. They can see their dogs through the window. Most of the cafes do not admit dogs. One Saturday the cafe was very busy. Romero did not notice that one dog had been there for a very long time. It closes at 4 p.m. All the customers left. Romero was surprised to see that there was still one dog. Romero looked at the dog. It was a nice dog. It was clean and well fed. Looked at the dog's collar. There was a tag on the collar with the name Lucy and telephone number. He went inside and called the telephone number. There was no answer. When he went outside to dispense the bags of garbage, he got a big shock. There was a man lying on the grass. Romero thought he was dead, but he ran inside and called an ambulance. The ambulance came. Romero was right. The man was dead. It looks like a heart attack, said ambulance man. He's been dead for hours. The police came. It was dark and outside. Brought the dog into cafe. It's against rule. Not, but I don't care. The poor dog has been alone for waiting for his owner. The cafe is head against Romero and Romero petted him. Finally, police said the dog belonged to the dead man. The man's name was Raul Pendek. Seems he had no family. We will take the dog now. No, said Romero. I will keep the dog. Okay, said the police and went away. Well, said Romero to the dog, it has been a hard day for you, but I will take you home and I will change the name of my cafe. I think I will call it Lucian's Cafe. What do you think? The dog barked. According to the passage, which of the following is the antonym of the word boring? Exciting. As per the passage, which of the following depicts the situation after Romero had seen the man lying on the ground? Romero was shocked when he saw the man. Romero ran away from the scene. Romero cried when he saw the man. Only one. Only one. As per the passage, why did Romero keep the dog? No other person was ready to accept the dog. The dog was threatened by the police. Romero thought the dog is good for business. Built an attachment towards the dog. According to the passage, which of the following is the synonym of word? Petted. The dog put his head against Romero's knee and Romero patted him. As per the passage, which of the following are true? Romero named the cafe after the dog. Most of the cafes in the area do not admit dogs. The man could have been saved. The ambulance had come earlier. 1 2. As per the passage, how did the man probably die? Have a heart attack. According to the passage, during summer, why most people are accompanied by their dogs? The only time they can go outside with their pets. Dogs food are cheaper. People go out to walk their dogs. People are feeling some. As per the passage, which of the following are characteristics of cafe? The cafe serves a wide range of coffees. People can walk into the cafe with their dogs. Romero has a special place for the customer's dog. He According to the passage, why did Romero fail to notice the dog earlier? No one could see dogs from the cafe. Romero was busy with his work. Romero did not like dogs. The cafe closed early that day. According to the passage, which of the following could replace the blank? Romero was surprised to see that there was still one dog. Tied up outside. Correspondence. She is the only one who took care of both her sons and. ठीक है, इंग्लिश तो हो गया. अभी कौन को स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों? स्किप करेंगे. ठीक है. 20% ऑफ 450 90 प्लस 330 माइनस 20 156 420 माइनस 156 दाम 4 264 3240 डिवाइडेड बाय 4x इज इक्वल टू 90 27 6 9 7 minus 13 plus 9 हुआ 3 100 minus 54 46 plus 25 60 71 45% of 400 क्या हुआ 180 माइनस साइन से कट रहा 180 4 माइनस 24 नीचे 9 4 से 3 400 40 40 into 19 160 minus 10 is equal to 30x 750 25 12 plus 13 25 75 x by 5 नीचे बनना is 375 200 100 minus 60 40 plus 40 plus 3 43 12 into 30 360 is equal to x into 15 is 24 10 5 10.5 7.5 15 37.5 into 0.5 into 1.5 minus 5 5.5 minus 3 plus 7.5 14 29 45 62 79 99 119 15 16 17 18 79 932 51 68 81 92 107 15 11 20 7 13 17 20 19 23 17 11 107 168 126 92 60 36 18 18 24 32 34 40 42 ठीक है। हाँ 1 14 22 32 44 60 8 10 12 14 60 There are 5 buses ABCD passenger those traveling either minors or adults. ABCD A B C D E minor 18 22 25 20 25 16 adult 12 18 10 16 10 and the ratio respect between adult passenger in A and D 20 28 2 C and E 20 7:5 in bus B if the fare minus is 100 per person and for adults 200 and the total amount collected by B 22 44 total number of minors and adults in D 36 is what percentage more than in bus A 36 1 by 5 20% in which two buses the number of adults are equal C and E and the difference between total minors in all 5 buses together and total adults 20 30 43 30 open 2 2 4 2 7 7 5 11 12 13 The following paragraph shows the production of washing machine PQRST PQRS 420 360 280 450 and the total number of washing machine produced by P and R 700 sorry 3:2. Find the sum of total number of washing machine by Q and T. 250. Okay. The average of total number of washing machine produced by S and R म्हणून 600 30 6 23 12 1 2 5. Find the difference between total number of washing machine produced by P and R. P and R P 120 140. The total number of washing machine produced by R 280 is what percent of total number of washing machine produced by factory T 250. How much salt worth 25 kg mixed with 42 kg salt? $36, so that the cost of the mixture becomes 32. 4 7 6 24. Average number of pages in 8 books is 180 1400, while average number of books with maximum and minimum number of pages is 210. Find the average number of books in remaining 6. ठीक है, अच्छा 170. Three friends Sona, Pihu, Jaya bought 2 types of atom A and B. Sona, Pihu, Jaya, A, B. Total cost of each type of A and B are 12 and 15. 12, 15. Amount spent by Sona on A and B are 56 to 105. Pihu spent 430 on A and rupees 57 less on B. 430 to 57. 55. Difference between amount spent by Sona on A and B. Sona on A and B 294. 294 4 7 24 630 3 36 30. Total 85 A type of atom bought by all three friends. J about 30 B types of atom. And service insert 768. 252. What is the respective ratio of number of A types of atom bought by Pihu and B types of by Sona? A type by Pihu 15. 26. 108. 6 to 7. What is the total expenditure of all three friends on item B? 1300 1455. What is the difference between J expenditure on B 450 and Sona on A 336? 774 1 114. Number of A type of atom bought by P and J are approximately what percentage of number of B type of atom bought by P and सोना. ठीक है, जी what percentage of P and सोना. दिन 900 2005 12 दिन 15 15 1 804 682 804 बीजू 8 नीचा 201 1500 5 200 1705 1 कुछ तो गलत. Number of A type atom bought by Pihu and Jaya 84 भागेला 70. A train which is moving with 54 km per hour crosses Y meters long bridge in 14 seconds. 15 मीटर पर सेकंड. 50 आणि 60 210 टोटल. The length of train is 116 10 7 4 94. A boat cover 120 meter downstream in 40 seconds. 11 28 V plus S. Come back in 56 seconds. D is equal to 24. S is equal to 4. Find how much distance in kilometer will the boat cover in 50 seconds. ठीक है, RC 1.2. Length and breadth 19:16 and its area 9 centimeter less than area of square. The perimeter of rectangle is 140. 20x is equal to 140 is equal to 2. 32 area is 9 centimeter. ठीक है, 32 16 7 7 24 37 31 3 3 9 3 12 16 1226 1225 स्क्वायर. साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर है ना 35. Issue of compound interest to simple interest on same principal when invested for 2 years at the same rate of interest per annum. 2R R is equal to R. 50 by 59. 4R is equal to 200 plus 2R. R is equal to 100. फॉन्ट में यार दोस्तों कम हुए आज। फॉन्ट में नंबर सीरीज के क्वेश्चन रह गए। अब रीजनिंग को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द एलिजिबल सर्विस interested service provider, the provider notice MWAENI OCU AILVEN OCU DIBVEN ENI. What is code for notice? DIB. The code for ENI. The. What is the code for interest provider? VN AIL. इसको बाद में लास्ट में करेंगे, इसको भी लास्ट में करेंगे। 9 books were kept in a shelf, one above the other. The position of this number from 1 to 9. 9 is the topmost. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. U is kept adjacent to Q. W is kept below U. W is kept below U. R is kept above X. R is kept above X. Q is kept at 6th position. Two boxes are kept between U and W. P is kept immediately above P. P is kept immediately above P. 5 boxes are kept between W and P. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. S is kept immediately above V. S is kept immediately above V. X, R, X. Which is kept at third position V. How many books are kept below R? 3, 6. Which of the following is true? T is kept at top. True. 2 boxes kept between X and Q. U is kept below V. U is kept below V. Only one T is kept at top. 4 of the following in similar, one odd one out. P, Q, W, V, S. P, Q, W, V, S, V. The number of boxes kept above P is same as below W. The annual G8 meeting was conducted on every year in a different country from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third last meeting was held in Brazil. It was conducted before Spain. The countries held between India and Spain. 1, 2, 3. India and Spain. UK conducted meeting in 1 year before India. UK. German conducted meeting immediately after France. France. Japan conducted meeting before USA. USA. Which country conducted meeting in 5? German. Which was the first country to conduct the meeting? Japan. How many countries conducted the meeting after India? 5. Four of the following are alike in certain manner. USA, Brazil, France, UK, Spain. USA, Brazil, France, UK, Spain. Conducted meeting immediately before India, UK. तो बाद में करेंगे. 8 people are seated around a circular table facing inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6, 8. Y seated to the immediate left of G. 2 people seated between J and K. N is seated second to the left of K. H is seated opposite to N. T is seated opposite to B. F seated second to the left of T. T, F, 1, 2, 3, B. G, Y, G, Y, K. G, Y, G, K. K lifts N. N, H. Who seated immediate right of F? H. How many people seated between J and H when counted from right of H? 2. 4 of the following options are similar in some manner. T, Y, K, B, N, G. T, Y, K, B, N, G, H, F, Y, B. Who seated fifth to the left of N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F. Which of the following statement is true? Y is an immediate neighbor of F. N opposite to F. K and B are not neighbors. He is seated immediate right of H. 6 बैट्समैन score different runs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. F score immediately higher than E. E score more than R. K score more than R. K score more than R but lower than P. P score higher than E. P score higher than E. X score lower than K but not the lowest. X score lower than K but not the lowest. The second highest scorer score 128. Third lowest scorer 95. He did not run 128. Same, 128 run. ठीक है. He did not run 128. Same run. ठीक है. 128 run. 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 P F E A X R. Which of the following can be possible score of R? 94. Who scored third highest runs? E. If total runs scored by K and X is 151, is 6. In the number 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, third, 6th and 8 are increased by 1. Third, 6 increased by 1 and 2, 4, 5 each decreased by 1. 7, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5 are decreased by 1. 6, 7. Now all the digits are arranged in decreasing order. 7, 7, 6, 6, 4, 4, 2. So which will be the 4th digit from the left end? 6. 5 student PSTHB stand in a row. Shabnam sits to the left of Hina and right of Pankaj. B sits and to the right of Pankaj. C stands to the left of Pankaj. B and P exchange their position. ठीक है. B and P exchange their position. Pankaj becomes neighbor of Hina. If all of them face toward north, who sits at the third position from the left end? S. What is the sum of all the numbers which are adjacent to vowel? 2, 10. If all the consonants of the string are dropped, then how many elements will be in between the smallest and largest number in the string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many such numbers are there which are immediately preceded by symbol and immediately succeeded by letter? Symbol, number, letter. Symbol, number, letter. Symbol, number, letter. Symbol, number, letter. 1, 2. What is the 10th element to the left of 19th element from the left of the string? 9. 3, 6, 9 at the rate. How many symbols in between E and are immediately followed by a number? How many symbols in between the E एक, एक, दो, if the largest digit of each number is dropped, then how many numbers will be smaller than 47? 1, 2, 3, 3. What is the sum of second digit of the third highest number and third digit of the second lowest number? What is second digit of the third highest number, first highest, second highest, third highest? Digit of third highest number 0, third digit of second lowest number 1, 2, 3. If all the digits of a number are arranged in descending order, then which number will become the fourth highest number? Fourth highest, second, first highest, second highest, third highest, 65. What is the second digit of the second highest number in the sequence? Second highest na 6, 8, 5. If 5 is added to each number, then second digit of how many numbers will change? 2. In a family of 8 members A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, either none or both parents are alive. C and G are daughter of D. C and G are daughter of D. D, who is the sister of E. H is the son of E. H is the son of E. F, the daughter of B. F, the daughter of B. The sister of H. E is the sister-in-law of A. E is the sister-in-law of A. How D is related to A? Wife. Who among the following is odd? C, D, E, F, E, H. C, D, F, E, H. Largest digit of each number is dropped. How many numbers will be smaller than 47? What is the sum of second digit of third highest number and third digit of second lowest number? E. If all the digits of number are arranged in descending order, which number will become the fourth highest number? 0. 9404338 फोर्थ हाईएस्ट नंबर। दो What is the second digit of second highest number in the sequence? If I is added to each number, second digit of how many numbers will change? एक, दो, तीन। ठीक है, कर देते सबमिट। इसमें तो हो गया पूरा। देखते अब स्कोर कितना आता है। तो इसमें ठीक ठाक स्कोर आया दोस्तों, 91। इंग्लिश में मेरे 4 गलत हो गए, 25 बने यहाँ पे। और क्वांट में पूरे सही है, यहाँ पे 84.2 परसेंटाइल बना। और रीजनिंग में पूरे 35 सही है, यहाँ पे 100 परसेंटाइल। और ओवरऑल मेरा 88 परसेंटाइल बना। दोस्तों आपका क्या स्कोर आया, परसेंटाइल का आया, क्या आया, और सेक्शन वाइज आपके कितने मार्क्स आए, आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। और दोस्तों अगर आपको ये सीरीज़ अच्छी लग रही है तो इसको लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।